Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to this detailed tutorial on mastering the integrated weighing function of the Thermomix TM5. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a soft cloth for cleaning, and a small brush to remove any debris inside the appliance. To start, ensure your Thermomix is unplugged. This is crucial for safety. Now, let's focus on the weighing function. The TM5 includes a built-in scale that allows precise measurement of ingredients directly in the bowl. This eliminates the need for separate scales and simplifies your cooking process. To access the weighing function, turn on your device and navigate to the main menu. Select the weighing icon, which is typically located at the top of the screen. You'll notice that the display resets to 0, indicating it's ready for use. Place your mixing bowl on the scale, and the weight will be displayed immediately. If you encounter any issues with accuracy, it may be time for a professional diagnosis without obligation. We can help identify any problems you might be experiencing with your Thermomix TM5. Next, let's clean the internal components of your Thermomix. Over time, food particles can accumulate, affecting both performance and hygiene. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the base of the device. Ensure you keep track of the screws. A magnetic tray can be helpful here. Once the base is removed, use a soft cloth and a small brush to gently clean the internal parts, paying special attention to the weighing sensor. This sensor is crucial for accurate measurements, so keep it free of dust and debris. After cleaning, reassemble the Thermomix, ensuring all screws are tightened properly. If you prefer, we offer pickup and delivery at your home for repairs, which means no calls, no travel, and a hassle-free experience. Now, let's return to the weighing function. When measuring ingredients, it's essential to ensure the bowl is dry and clean. If you're measuring liquids, start with the bowl empty and add your liquid to the desired weight, resetting to 0 as necessary. For dry ingredients, you can also use the weighing function to measure multiple components without having to remove the bowl each time. In case you need assistance or further repairs, remember that we provide a quote before repair, giving you peace of mind about costs. This way, you can enjoy your cooking without surprises. Finally, after using the weighing function, it's important to regularly check and clean the scale sensor to maintain its accuracy. With these simple steps, you can ensure your Thermomix TM5 functions optimally. Thank you for following along in this tutorial. Happy cooking! Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.